Hey, good afternoon. John Phillips with John Phillips Realty. Today we're in sunny St. Augustine, Florida. We're in the development of Entrada, and we're going to be taking a look at the Hayden model. This is a 5 bedroom, 3 bath property that's waterfront. You don't want to miss this one. Let's go take a quick look. If you're not familiar with Entrada, it's a development built by DR Horton. Located just a mile east of I-95, it's a quick 15 minutes to the beach, as well as 15 minutes to the downtown historic district with shopping and restaurants. The amenity center in Entrada is spectacular and consists of a full gym, swimming pools, tennis courts, along with a banquet room. The entryway has a nice sized front porch. You can sit out here, rest and relax, and just enjoy the Florida weather. A really nice feature of this home is that it has smart home integration. It allows you to turn lights on and off, set your temperature for comfort, and set your alarm system for peace of mind. Immediate to the left, we have what's called the flex room. This room can be an office, it can be a gym, it can be whatever you want it to be. Coming into the main downstairs living area, you'll find a perfect layout for entertaining. The combination eating kitchen, dining room, and living room makes for the perfect setup. Got a decent sized pantry, gas range, microwave, beautiful finished countertops. The combination dining room and living room gives you a fantastic view of the waterfront. We'll take a look at that in just a few more minutes. There's plenty of living space here, large screen TV. Those Super Bowl Sundays will be great. Okay, bedroom number one, which is the only one that's located downstairs, is definitely of a decent size. We've got a bathroom off to it, and then immediately into the garage. You'll find a full-size two-car garage with electronic garage door opener, and that can also be controlled through the smart home integration. The luxury vinyl plank flooring makes for easy cleanup and maintenance. Let's go take a look upstairs. This primary bedroom is gigantic. You won't have any problem fitting furniture in here and outfitting it the way that you want. Of course, I will link all of the room descriptions in the links down below so you can see exactly the size of everything. The primary bathroom is laid out beautifully. It's got his and her sinks, walk-in shower stall, and a separate toilet area for privacy. I almost got lost in this walk-in closet. I thought it was another bedroom. You won't have any problems with clothes, shoes, oversized. And here we have the laundry room, which will be outfitted with the washer and dryer. If you stay to the end, I'll show you how to get a washer and dryer for free. Okay, on to bedroom number three. This would be a perfect guest room, a kid's room, a gym, music listening, whatever you want it to be. I think this might be just a perfect kids' play area, or maybe an area for just watching TV and relaxing. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think this room would be good for. Bedroom number 4. It's almost identical to the same size and layout as bedroom number 3, just on the opposite end of the house. And the third and final bathroom is conveniently located between bedrooms 4 and 5. Double sinks and a separate toilet area. And our final bedroom is bedroom number 5. Bedroom number 5, 4, and 3 are very similar in size and layout. Now let's take a look at what might be just one of the biggest highlights of this property. Wow, what a view. Imagine coming home and relaxing every single day. You've got plenty of room for a pool, an outdoor kitchen, maybe one of the best lots in this development with a view. Text me or give me a call. I can definitely make this happen for you. Okay, that's going to end the tour for this beautiful home. But before you go, let me give you some specifics and details about this property. It is, again, a 5 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 car garage. It's 2,499 square feet under air and is priced at $439,990. For the month of December, here's where it really gets good: 3.99% FHA VA financing, 4.99 conventional. That's 30 years, folks. That's not just 1 year or 2 years, that's 30 years. But it gets even better than that. For the month of December, if this house is purchased and closed on, it includes all of the appliances: the refrigerator, the washer, the dryer, garage door opener, the range, microwave. Everything's included, just basically making it almost turnkey. So if you have an interest in this property or maybe another one that's in this area, if you'll text me down below or just give me a call, I'll be glad to answer any questions you have. All right. Thanks and have a great day.